Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In lecture 1, we studied what is the meaning of research and how to conduct a research with a very simple example. In today's lecture 2, we are going to know what is expected from you as a team member and what is included in your course. Now, taking a start from the simple definition of research project, it's a research work done in collaboration with 2 or 3 people. In your case, you are 2 members. You have a set target and you will collect information related to your topic from primary or secondary data. Then you are going to conduct surveys or interviews to collect information related to your topic. You will get the results in form of the survey results or the interview result, and you will write everything in form of your report. In the end, you are going to present it in form of a presentation. I must say that research projects really improve students' English language skills, reading, writing, listening, speaking. You read and then you write whatever you have understood from your literature that you have read. And then you are listening also. You're listening to your teachers, to your team members, and the people that you interview or you conduct survey with. In the end, you are speaking in your presentation. So it's a very good chance for you to improve your language. Talking about the responsibilities of you as in a team, it's very important that you abide by these responsibilities. Taking a start by choosing a partner and making sure that how you are going to contact each other. You work individually, but you share whatever you have achieved. This is a teamwork. You set a target, an objective, and in your case, it should be the best presentation ever or best project ever. You write everything in form of an action plan and you have a date to meet that. Your meeting, your venue, your time, your date, it should be decided by you, not the teacher. You make also sure that you are actively and sincerely contributing into the teamwork. Don't forget to keep notes of your meetings. You can even take picture in your mobile of those notes. Make sure 2 people are different, so try to compromise and motivate each other. If you are done with all that, you are going for a successful project. Now, talking about your project report. You have to write 500 words. Don't worry about title page of table of contents. That would be already part of that blank document I would be sharing. You have to yet write the introduction, methods, findings, conclusion, and recommendations. Don't forget to have references section. And in the end, you have appendices. Talking about your presentation, you are going to present in form of PPT, which is in total time of your presentation is 10 minutes. Don't exceed number 10 slides. Not more than that. Your font size for the regular text should be 24 to 30 and for the title 44 to 54. Images play a very important role and always have a backup plan. Presenting a data is very critical in your presentation. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Ding the bell for the upcoming video. Stay happy, stay healthy.